Hello, little adventurers! Meet Lily and her best friend Whiskers, playing in their sunny backyard. Oh, what's that? A sparkly door in the oak tree. Lily pushed the door, creak, and whoosh! A rainbow vortex appeared. Whiskers meowed, "Let's go!" And they jumped right in. Wow! They landed in the magical forest where the sky was purple and the trees whispered secrets. And guess what? The animals could talk. A wise owl named Oliver swooped down. "Welcome, Lily and Whiskers. Our crystal of light is gone, and our magic is fading." Lily clapped her hands. "We'll find that crystal. Let's go, Whiskers." Whiskers meowed in agreement, and off they went, ready for a big, big adventure. Hop, hop, hop. A bouncy rabbit named Ruby appeared. It said, "Hi, I'm Ruby, and I know these woods. Let's go together. I'll show you the way." Through the whispering woods, the three of them went with trees chatting softly. Ruby led the way, and Lily giggled. "This is so cool." Uh-oh! A sly fox named Felix popped out. He asked, "Need a guide? Just give me a trinket." Whiskers hissed, and Lily said, "No thanks." Lily and Whiskers reached the spooky dark caverns. Ruby shivered. "I'll wait here." But brave Lily and Whiskers marched right in. Inside the dark, creepy caverns, Whiskers' glowing eyes lit the way. Lily whispered, "We're close, Whiskers. Don't stop. Let's keep going." They found the Shadow Sprite, holding the crystal. "I'm lonely," he cried. Lily smiled. "I'll be your friend." Lily promised, "We'll take the crystal back, but you can come with us." The Shadow Sprite's eyes sparkled with hope. With the crystal in hand, they raced back to the heart of the forest. The trees cheered, "You can do it, Lily!" Lily placed the crystal, and the forest glowed brighter. The animals cheered, and magic was back. They got back home. Lily knew the magic was real. Whiskers winked, and they couldn't wait for more adventures. Subscribe for more, little adventurers.